Welcome to NaxToView. In this video, we will show you how to use the Attributes tool within finite element analysis. In FEM analysis, attributes are essential characteristics that define the behavior and physical properties of elements in the model. These can include materials, geometry, boundary conditions, and mechanical, thermal, or electrical properties. Attributes are key in determining how elements interact with each other and their environment. In summary, attributes are what we use to visualize different aspects of a model. Toolbar explanation. Clicking on the first icon opens a window where you can create and edit attributes. The next section shows a drop-down list with predefined attribute types such as properties, material, element type, and parts. Once you create new attributes, they will also appear in this list. The last icon allows you to create contour attributes. Types of attributes. There are three types of attributes in NaxToView. 1. Contour attributes. 2. Imported attributes. 3. Derived attributes. Creating attributes. Now, let us show you how to create attributes in NaxToView. Contour attributes. To create contour attributes, simply plot the results on the model that you want, and click on the icon to save the new attribute. Then, check the drop-down list to see how the new contour attribute is added. Imported attributes. To create an imported attribute, first click on the first icon to open the attribute creation window and check the Imported option. Import a .csv file containing the necessary results. You can select the file from your computer or drag it directly. The column configuration of the .csv file will vary depending on the type of attribute you want to create. You can choose between by elements, by nodes, or by element nodal. For element attributes, the file must have the columns ID_E, parts_E, and new attribute name. For node attributes, it should include ID_N, parts_N, and new attribute name. For element nodal attributes, the file needs ID_E, parts_E, ref_N, list of nodes, and new attribute name. It's important that the column splitter and decimal splitter settings match those of Excel. If the file is incorrect, the loading bar will turn red, and you will receive an error message. When everything is set up correctly, click the green plus icon to create the attribute. Derived attributes. Now, let's see how to create derived attributes. First, check the Derived option. Next, assign a name to the new attribute. Indicate whether you want it to be a node, an element, or element nodal. Then, select the necessary fields from the Field Name section. These will be added to the lower section so that you can perform the corresponding operations later. In the User Guide, you will find instructions on how to operate with predefined functions and arithmetic expressions. To finish, press the plus button to add the new derived attribute. Deleting or editing attributes. Keep in mind that only derived attributes can be edited. If you want to edit another type of attribute, you will first need to convert it into a derived one. To edit them, simply select the derived attribute you want to modify and make the necessary changes. Click Apply to apply the changes. To delete an attribute, click on the red X icon. This has been everything about the Attributes tool in NaxToView. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. See you in the next video.